Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauce using ketchup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need about 1 cup of your favorite ketchup, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Also, grab a small saucepan, a whisk, and your measuring spoons. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious outcome for your homemade sauce. Now, let's start building our sauce. Pour the 1 cup of ketchup into your saucepan, then add the 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Place the pan over medium-low heat. Whisk continuously to combine everything thoroughly and prevent sticking. Allow the mixture to reach a gentle simmer, letting it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. This step helps the flavors deepen and blend beautifully. This is where you can truly make the sauce your own. Consider adding 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder for aromatic depth. For a little warmth, a pinch of cayenne pepper works wonders. Stir in about 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce to enhance the savory notes. Remember to taste the sauce and adjust any seasonings, perhaps adding a bit more sugar or vinegar to balance the flavors perfectly. Once your sauce has reached the desired consistency and flavor, remove it from the heat. Allow it to cool for a few minutes before serving. This delicious homemade ketchup sauce is perfect with everything from crispy French fries to juicy grilled chicken or even a classic burger. Store any unused sauce in an airtight container in your refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 1 week. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.